Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. On Friday, we had a major development as we gapped up into all new all-time highs. And the market continues advancing. You can see that previously we were in kind of a trending on a channel setup, and we gapped up and broke that channel to the upside. So that's a very strong development. The monthly chart, the monthly development is looking very strong with a couple of weeks left, including a short week due to the Thanksgiving holiday. On the weekly, we've been now one time framing up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and on the daily, we've been following this trend up with short periods of consolidation followed by push into another step in the ladder. So that's a very good development. One word of caution will be that now we have four immediate gaps to the upside. That seems a little bit too much, and also that the volume on Friday was not very strong. I mean, it was not the type of volume that I would expect for a strong gap and break, if you want to call it like that. So keep that in the back of your mind. For other potential signs of weakness, you know that started back on Friday. So if we look at the market profile, you see that on Friday we gapped up even higher, and here on this 3111 area, that's where the overnight high was situated. We probed that area and couldn't pass immediately, and it was sold very aggressively. There are two possibilities. There was a lot of selling coming in, or the market was just too long and it had to come down. But in any case, what I observed is that the selling on the A period came really fast and really aggressive, but started making a lot of volume in this 0506 area and not continuing down into the previous range and closing the gap. So as it accumulated volume over there, B period came and failed to follow through, failed to even take the A high, and started pushing up. This was the best opportunity for the day according to me. And then after we rally up, we erased those singles from the A period and broke higher. And after we broke higher, the overnight high and the early morning high serve as clearly a technical support. So you have now tested twice that area, and you finish with a spike up towards the end. So notice that there is no excess at the top, only one tick. So we have an incomplete auction that increases the odds of repairing that high. There's a double distribution, but a very questionable one tick separation. So definitely 31.1150 is the level denoting change. It coincides with the pullback that we saw twice in that session and Friday's halfback. So that's a major level. If you get acceptance below this level, definitely the notes change. So the focus is to assess this late spike. I would say that the odds are good that at least you may close this double distribution, but what we need to see is acceptance here or above to increase the odds for further upside. The week is kind of light in the news or data front. On Wednesday you have the FOMC minutes. That's the most volatile thing that I see on the calendar. There are a few Fed speakers distributed along the week, but also keep in mind that next week we have the Thanksgiving break. And is it next week? Hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah, next week we have the Thanksgiving break. So there could be a lot of adjustment of positioning later in the week, ahead of that week, because a lot of traders participants go on a break. So that could be a source of volatility, the adjustments. So be patient. Do not commit too much. If the market is not moving, be patient. There will always be a better time to trade. So trade well. Have a nice week, and let's see what the market brings.